Hola, my name is Azalea and I teach Spanish with Take Lessons Live. Are you traveling to a Spanish-speaking country soon? If you're hoping to learn some basic phrases to make your trip a success, look no further. In this video, you're going to learn the most important and common vocabulary words for tourists, whether you're vacationing in Mexico, Spain, or South America. So stay tuned, and don't forget to click the link below to check out our free online Spanish classes. Let's take a look at some phrases for traveling. When we travel to a foreign country where we need to speak Spanish, the first thing we need to learn is how to say hello. So let's start with a few greetings. Let's learn good morning. Buenos días. Buenos días. This works whenever you wake up early in the morning, all the way to noon. Now at 12 p.m. we can start saying good afternoon, which is buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. We can keep going saying buenas tardes all the way till like 6 p.m. maybe start saying like good evening or good night, which is the same in Spanish. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. This phrase works if you're arriving to a restaurant or arriving to a party. You want to say, oh, hello, good evening. Buenas noches. Hola, buenas noches. And whenever you're leaving, you can also say buenas noches. Adiós. Buenas noches. Now let's add a little bit more to this phrase. Hola, buenos días. ¿Cómo está? Which means, hello, good morning, how are you? Hola, buenos días, ¿cómo está? If you have a question, it's nice to say the following phrase. Excuse me, I have a question. Disculpe, tengo una pregunta. Disculpe, tengo una pregunta. The word disculpe means excuse me or I'm sorry. You can use it if you bump into someone or oh, you dropped something. You can say disculpe, excuse me, or oh, sorry, whoops. You can also say perdón. Perdón means I'm sorry. It doesn't work to ask for someone's attention like, excuse me, I have a question. You wouldn't say, perdón, tengo una pregunta. That would be apologizing because you have a question. So, perdón, if you bump into someone, if you drop something, perdón, I'm sorry. If everything is going great in your trip and you want to say thank you, you can say muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Lots of things. In Mexico, you can also say muchísimas gracias. Muchísimas gracias. Even more thanks. If you would like to tell a person to have a nice day, you would say, que tenga un buen día. Que tenga un buen día. And if you hear this phrase for you, you would say, oh, likewise. You can say, igualmente. Igualmente. Now, when arriving to your hotel, you might want to check on your reservation or ask for a room. So you will go to the lobby and say, Buenas tardes. Tengo una reservación. Buenas tardes. Tengo una reservación. Which means, good afternoon. I have a reservation. Of course, you can change buenas tardes for buenos días, buenas noches. If you're unsure or if it's, is it noon, is it non, you can just say buen día, good day, buen día, or hola, hello, hola. If you don't have a reservation, maybe you're calling to the hotel to make one, or you're arriving to the lobby, I'm looking for a room. I need to book a room. You can say the following phrase. I would like to make a reservation. Me gustaría hacer una reservación. Me gustaría hacer una reservación. Remember the word excuse me, disculpe. We can now say, excuse me, I need help with my luggage. Disculpe, necesito ayuda con mi equipaje. Disculpe, necesito ayuda con mi equipaje. If you need something at the hotel, maybe more towels, you can say, necesito más toallas, por favor. Necesito más toallas, por favor. I need more towels, please. If you're ever in trouble and you are not sure how to say something in Spanish, you want to ask the other person if they speak English or they speak French or your language, you can say, disculpe, ¿habla inglés? Disculpe, ¿habla inglés? If you want to ask a person to repeat something in Spanish, you can say, perdón, ¿puede repetirlo? This is, I'm sorry, can you repeat it? Perdón, ¿puede repetirlo? We can also add to this phrase, oh, I'm sorry, can you repeat it slowly? Perdón, ¿puede repetirlo más despacio? Perdón, ¿puede repetirlo más despacio? To ask, where is the bathroom? We can say in Spanish, ¿dónde está el baño? ¿Dónde está el baño? If you need to know where is the pool, you can say, ¿dónde está la piscina? ¿Dónde está la piscina? Piscina is known as pool in Spain, in South America, in Mexico, but in Mexico they also use another word for pool, alberca. Alberca. ¿Dónde está la alberca? If you ever need an ATM, where is the ATM? You can say it this way. ¿Dónde está el cajero automático? ¿Dónde está el cajero automático? And if you ever need to exchange money, currency exchange place, you would ask, ¿dónde está la casa de cambio? ¿Dónde está la casa de cambio? We can also say, disculpe, ¿hay una casa de cambio? This is, excuse me, is there a currency exchange place? If you need to buy something and you're wondering what the price is, you can ask, how much does it cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Now, if you're in a restaurant with your family, with your friends, you need to order, you would say this phrase. Joven, estamos listos para ordenar. Joven, estamos listos para ordenar. This is when you're talking to a male waiter. Young man, we are ready to order. Young men, we are ready to order. If you're speaking to a waitress, then you would say, Señorita, which is young lady or just lady. Señorita, ya estamos listos para ordenar. Señorita, ya estamos listos para ordenar. We are ready to order. For the phrase, I would like to order a salad, please, you would say, me gustaría ordenar una ensalada, por favor. Me gustaría ordenar una ensalada, por favor. To say the phrase, can you bring me some chicken with rice without spicy pepper? It's going to be, ¿me puede traer pollo con arroz sin chile? If you don't eat pepper, this is important to know in Mexico. Sin chile, por favor. If you would like to order more water for your whole table, you would say, ¿nos trae más agua, por favor? ¿Nos trae más agua, por favor? Would you bring us more water, please? If you need the check, you would say, ¿me trae la cuenta, por favor? ¿Me trae la cuenta, por favor? Would you bring me the check, please? Let's talk about when we are getting around, we're taking a taxi or an Uber or a Lyft. You can tell your ride, we are going to the California Hotel, please. You can say in Spanish, vamos al Hotel California, por favor. Vamos al Hotel California, por favor. If you need to go somewhere, you're looking for a taxi, you're planning to walk, you could ask the front desk, how do I get here? And show them here. ¿Cómo llego aquí? ¿Cómo llego aquí? How do I get here? If you need a taxi, necesito un taxi. Necesito un taxi. If you're looking for the bus stop or where can I get in a bus, ¿dónde puedo tomar el autobús? ¿Dónde puedo tomar el autobús? Notice tomar can mean to take, to drink, to take literally something from the table. So you're not taking a bus, you're getting in the bus, but that's how it translates to Spanish. ¿Dónde puedo tomar el autobús? Where can I get in the bus or take the bus? A word for bus in Mexico is camión. Camión. But the most common one, autobús. For the phrase I need help, which you might need, of course, you can say necesito ayuda. Necesito ayuda. Which of these Spanish travel phrases will you use the most during your trip? Leave a comment and let us know. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with more helpful Spanish tutorials.